Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today's recipe has its origin from Indonesia. Yes, we are going to make the very famous Indonesian street food prawn satay. The same recipe could be made with chicken too. The satay sauce is usually a peanut based sauce, but there are some variations followed in different Asian countries when making this sauce. So I'm going to make prawn satay in Indo-Chinese method. Come, let's get started. For making the prawn satay, I have taken 500 grams of white prawns, washed thoroughly and drained the excess water. This is the weight after deshelling and deveining the prawns. Now let's go ahead with the marination process, for which take lemon juice taken from half medium sized lemon and add to the prawns, and some lemon rind. You can just grate the skin of the lemon and add, so that it will give very good flavor to the prawns, but don't add too much of them. Add in very less quantity so that they don't cause bitterness. To this, add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste followed by 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of Szechuan chutney, 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This is to give good color. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Mix thoroughly and cover it and marinate it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. Now take a bowl and pour hot water into it and soak the wooden skewers for 30 minutes. These are the wooden skewers. This will prevent the wooden skewers from catching fire while frying. Now after 2 hours, the prawns have been marinated. They are ready. Now to this, add 3 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour and 3 tablespoons of corn flour, a pinch of salt, egg whites taken from 2 eggs. You don't have to add the egg yolks. Egg whites are enough. Mix thoroughly. Now the skewers are ready. Wipe them with a kitchen towel like this. See that there is no moisture in them. Now they are ready. Brush them with some oil so that it would be easier to remove the meat when we are consuming them from the skewers. So brush with oil. Brush it well. Now this is the sharp edge and this is the blunt edge. Now insert a prawn into the sharp edge of the skewer. But by inserting this way, the prawns will not stay intact with the skewer while frying. So you must double prick the prawns like the way I'm going to do the second one. Okay, the first one was the wrong method. Now I'll show you the correct method. Insert the head portion first, followed by the tail portion like this, so that the prawns will not get detached or keep rotating while frying. It will stay intact with the skewer. So this is the correct method. Now I'll remove the first one and redo the process. Just see how I'm doing. The head first, the head portion of it first, and then the tail portion. So repeat the same with the other prawns also, the same way, so that they stay intact. By this way, they don't get detached from the skewers. Now the prawns are ready for frying. All done. Now take a pan and add oil for shallow frying, and once the oil gets heated, place the skewers gently and fry them over a medium flame. Don't fry over high flame. Fry over a medium flame and flip them to the other side and fry till the prawns get that golden brown color. Never add too much of corn flour or maida, because adding too much of flour will harden the prawns and they will lose their taste and flavor. So add, the specified amount, not more. Now they've been fried to golden brown. Remove them from the oil and drain them with an absorbent paper. The way we had inserted the prawns into the skewers, have made our flipping job easier, and hence they've been cooked evenly, on all sides. You can see that. Now the prawns have been fried to golden brown so beautifully. Next step is to give smoke to them with charcoal so that they give out that authentic smoky flavor to the satay. Heat a piece of charcoal on direct fire and place it over a hot iron plate. If you don't have charcoal at home, you can definitely skip this method, and the prawn satay will taste good without this method also. Now drop a tablespoon of butter or ghee over the hot charcoal so that it releases its smoke, and place a metal grill stand on it and arrange the fried prawns over the grill stand, and let the prawns inhale the smoke for 1 minute, and sprinkle some 2 or 3 teaspoons of soya sauce over them this way. This is the way the Indonesian street food satay is cooked. As the chicken or prawn gets grilled, they keep sprinkling the light soya sauce over them and cook them with the smoke produced by the charcoal. Now twist the skewer so that the other side also gets grilled. Now they are done. Remove them. Now our smoky prawns have been grilled to perfection. Keep them aside. Now let's start making the sauce. For making the sauce, take a pan and add 1/4 cup of oil, and once the oil gets heated, add 1/4 cup of chopped garlic and fry the garlic till they turn golden brown. Fry them, in slow to medium flame. Now to this add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and 1 tablespoon of Szechuan chutney, and 1/4 cup of tomato sauce, 2 teaspoons of light soya sauce, half a teaspoon of white vinegar and half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder and half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Cook for a while. Now add 1 tablespoon of corn flour mixed with 3 tablespoons of water. This is to thicken the sauce. Now garnish with chopped spring onion leaves and completely reduce the flame once it is done. Now the sauce is ready. Completely simmer the stove and place the skewers over the sauce and coat the prawns with the sauce like this way with a spoon. Twist them so that they get well coated on all sides with the sauce. Twist them like this. Now our yummylicious, smoky and saucy prawn satays are ready to be served. Friends, please try this recipe at home and let me know the feedback by writing your valuable comments in the comments box. If you like this video and my recipe, please hit a like, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the updates of my new uploads. And please don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Meet you in my next upload. Till then, this is Sana Kuram signing off with lots of love.